Good morning, friends. Last lecture we are to end of this third topic, that is the Nazarov cyclization reaction. Then we are to discuss the Berman cyclization reaction. Okay, and then firstly we are to discuss the Poisson-Khand reaction. Okay, therefore these three reaction and therefore the chapter is ring formation reaction. This chapter is over. Okay, therefore the last chapter of this section, that is the transition metal complexes. Okay, look at this transition metal complexes in organic synthesis like the palladium, nickel, ruthenium, ferrous, iridium and the copper only. Okay, so therefore this transition metal complexes you are to useful for the carbon carbon single bond cn bond. Okay, and therefore this different types of the bond we are to discuss in this chapter. Okay, therefore your transition metal complexes, it is divided into the three types of the reaction. First is a oxidative addition reaction, second is a reductive elimination reaction, and then third is a migratory insertion reaction. Okay, so look at this, the oxidative addition reaction. Okay, therefore your potential ligands do not have a lone pair or the fill the retypes orbital still able to interact with the transition metal complexes, but the only breaking the sigma bond. Okay, look at this, that the potential ligands means what? That is the PD PPS34. Okay, that is a potential ligand. That potential ligands do not have the lone pair. Okay, this is the PPS3. It do not have the lone pair, but it is a retype of the orbital and it is still able to interact with the transition metal complexes, but these transition metal complexes are interact with the complexes. Okay, that transition metal complexes are interact with the complexes, but only breaking the sigma bond of this CBr. Okay, म्हणजे कार्बन हॅलोजन जो बॉन्ड आहे सिग्मा बॉन्ड, हा सिग्मा बॉन्ड काय करतो? ब्रेक करतो. कोण ब्रेक करतं? ट्रान्झिशन मेटल. ओके, देन सेकंडली this is the first step and it is described by the oxidative addition. Okay, this is the first step, it is described by the oxidative addition in the transition metal complexes in organic synthesis. Okay, look at this example. Okay, this is the example like the thiophene. Okay, we are to bromine, it is attached with this position, and therefore in presence of palladium 0, in presence of palladium pps34. Okay, therefore the oxidation state of transition metal raised by the +2 oxidation state. Okay, लक्षात घ्या की ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन मध्ये तुमच्या पॅलेडियम जो मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्स असतो तर त्या मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्सची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट +2 नी काय होते? इन्क्रीजेस होते. ओके, इन दी ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन रिएक्शन therefore your transition metal complexes oxidation state is raised by +2. Okay, therefore look at this, therefore this is a palladium 0 oxidation state. Okay, and therefore you have to given the oxidative addition reaction, you have to perform the oxidative addition reaction, therefore the 2 pps3 ligand are dissociated. Okay, therefore 2 pps3 ligands are dissociated, and therefore this is the aromatic ring, and this bromine, it is attached with the palladium. Okay, it is attached with the palladium, and therefore its oxidation state of the palladium is +2. Okay, is oxidation state of palladium is +2, means therefore in the oxidative addition reaction, therefore your palladium oxidation state is increases in the oxidative addition reaction. Oxidative addition reaction मध्ये काय होते की तुमच्या ट्रान्झिशन मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस मधला जो पॅलेडियम आहे तर पॅलेडियमचे ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट काय होते? +2 नी increases होते. Okay, so this is the product of the oxidative addition reaction. Therefore that 2 pps3 ligands are dissociated, and therefore this aromatic ring and bromine, it is attached with this palladium, and therefore you have to formation of these transition metal complexes, and its oxidation state of the palladium is about the +2, therefore your oxidation state is increases for the +2. Okay, so this is all about the ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन. हे संपूर्णपणे काय झालं? ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन. पुढची रिॲक्शन काय आहे? रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन. ओके, लुक ॲट दिस, द रिव्हर्स ऑफ द ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन. ओके, म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशनची रिव्हर्स म्हणजे तुमची कोणती रिॲक्शन आहे? रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज at the end of this reaction the ligands are removed from the coordination sphere of the metal. ओके, लक्षात घ्या की ह्या रिॲक्शनच्या एंडला ॲट द एंड ऑफ दिस रिॲक्शन देअरफॉर युअर लिगांड्स आर रिमूव्ड. तुमचे लिगांड काय होतात? रिमूव्ह होतात फ्रॉम द कोऑर्डिनेशन स्पेअर ऑफ द मेटल. म्हणजे तुमच्या कोऑर्डिनेशन स्पेअर ऑफ मेटलपासून तुमचे लिगांड पूर्णपणे काय होतात? रिमूव्ह होतात. कोणत्या रिॲक्शनमध्ये? रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन reaction. Okay, and therefore in this reductive elimination reaction therefore your oxidation state is changes. ओके, रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शनमध्ये तुमचे ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट काय होते? चेंजेस होते. दॅट इज द मेटल इट गिव्स द +2 ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट देअरफॉर इन द रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन देअरफॉर इट्स ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट इज 0. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन इंट्रोडक्शन. अँड लुक ॲट दिस द एक्झाम्पल. Okay, look at this example. This is the example of this reductive elimination. This is the example of the reductive elimination reaction, and therefore this is the ligands, and this is the cis conformer. Okay, therefore look at this, that this compound we are to in presence of DMSO at the 80 degrees Celsius you are to formation of the methyl bond. Methyl bond means what? That is the CH3 bond means that is the ethane. Okay, therefore you are to formation of the ethane, and therefore you are to formation of CC bond. Okay, in the reductive elimination reaction. Okay, therefore how to perform this reaction? Therefore that methyl group we have to migrate from the palladium, and therefore you are to insert it on this methyl group, and then this bond it is a breakdown, and therefore formation of the lone pair on the palladium. Okay, so this is all about the reductive elimination reaction. ही संपूर्ण काय झाली? रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन. याच्यामध्ये याची जी ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट आहे ती काय असते? +2, आणि इकडं ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट काय होणार आहे? 0. ओके, देअरफॉर युअर ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट इज डिक्रीजेस इन द रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन. ओके, तर याच्यामध्ये काय आहे की हा जो तुमचा कंपाऊंड दिला, या कंपाऊंडमधून पॅलेडियमवर 2 मिथिल ग्रुप्स आहे. ओके, देअरफॉर दॅट 2 मिथिल ग्रुप्स यू हॅव टू migrate them. Okay, you have to reductive elimination, and you have to formation of the methyl single bond. Okay, that is the carbon bond formation. Okay, and then you have to formation of the transition metal complexes, that the palladium it containing the lone pair. Okay, and its oxidation state is about the palladium 0. Okay, next is the migratory insertion. The third type of the reaction, that is the migratory insertion. That the migratory insertion means what? Ki therefore your process involves the migration. Okay, therefore your process involves the migration of. Okay, याच्यामध्ये काय आहे की तुमची जी प्रोसेस आहे ती प्रोसेस कशामध्ये होते? मायग्रेशनमध्ये काय होते? इन्व्हॉल्व होते. Okay, the process involve the migration of one of the ligand from metal to the other ligand. Okay, one of the ligand of metal to the other ligand. म्हणजे मेटल चा एक लिगांड हा दुसऱ्या लिगांडवर आपण काय करतो? ॲड करतो, पण इट इज जॉईनिंग टू दी मेटललाच ते काय असतं? जॉईनिंग असतं. अँड देअरफॉर इट इज अ इन्सर्शन ऑफ वन लिगांड इन टू दी अदर मेटल लिगांड बॉन्ड. ओके, वन लिगांड इंटू दी अदर मेटल लिगांड, म्हणजे एक लिगांड तुमच्या दुसऱ्या मेटल लिगांडवर काय होतो? अटॅच होतो. त्यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण? मायग्रेटरी insertion. Okay, look at this is a general reaction, that the X is attached with the metal and Y it is attached with the metal. Therefore this X ligand it is a migrated from the metal surfaces, and it is a inserted on the second ligand, that is a Y, and therefore you are to formation of this unsaturated bond. Okay, therefore you are to take the L is equal to P R3P and the CO, you are to formation of this saturated compound. Okay, so this is all about the migratory insertion. Okay, this is all about the migratory insertion. Then nextly the palladium 0 okay, that the palladium 0 it is the most widely used in the homogeneous. okay, म्हणजे एक प्रकारे काय की means you have to take the palladium metal complexes and its palladium metal complexes its oxidation state is 0 and therefore you have to mostly widely used in homogeneous octology. okay, you have to take the homogeneous catalyst and therefore this is used फॉर दी सोल्युबल इन रिॲक्शन मिक्सचर. ओके, तर याच्यामध्ये जो पॅलेडियम 0 होमोजिनियस कॅटलिस्ट आपण यूज करतो हा कशामध्ये सोल्युबल आहे? इट इज अ सोल्युबल इन रिॲक्शन मिक्सचर. ओके, लुक ॲट दिस स्ट्रक्चर दॅट इज अ स्टेबल पॅलेडियम 0 complexes, therefore that is a PdPps3 4. okay, this is the stable palladium second complexes, that is a PdPps3 twice Cl2. okay, then the palladium chemistry, okay, that the palladium chemistry it is dominated by two oxidation state. palladium chemistry काय करते? dominated by two oxidation state. दोन oxidation state ला काय करते? dominate करते. एक 0 आणि दुसरी +2. okay, that the palladium 0 it is a present in palladium its electron rich. palladium 0 कशामध्ये present आहे? ट्रायफिनिल फॉस्फाइन मध्ये काय असतो? प्रेझेंट असतो. दॅट इज अ पॅलेडियम इज इन इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच and therefore it undergoes the oxidative addition with this substrate and therefore such as halide and the triplet, that is the TO4. okay, and the palladium second complexes is the oxidative addition formed by the ligand dissociated in this solution. तर पॅलेडियम सेकंड कॉम्प्लेक्सेसमध्ये काय होतं की ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशनमध्ये लिगांडचं काय होतं? डिसोसिएशन होतं. कशामध्ये? सोल्युशनमध्ये. ओके, लुक ॲट दिस इज द PdL4 दॅट इज द 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पेसिस and therefore you have to dissociate the one ligand, therefore you have to dissociate the one ligand, that is the L plus PdL3. okay, you have to dissociate the one ligand and therefore this is the 2L plus PdL2. okay, therefore your PdPps3 for its electron complexes is about the 18 electrons. okay, and therefore in this palladium 0, okay, and its electron species is about the 16 electron species. किती electron species है? 16 electron species. therefore you have to remove the 2 ligand, therefore your 2 electrons are removed and therefore you have to formation of the 16 electron species. okay, that 16 electron species you have to use in the oxidative addition reaction. look at this is the PdL2 and it use the palladium 0 oxidation state and it is treated with the alkyl halide in presence of oxidative addition to formation of these palladium second complexes. okay, to formation of these palladium second complexes. okay, then nextly you have to take the alkene. okay, you have to take the alkene will coordinated with the metal. alkene कशाबरोबर coordinate होतो? metal बरोबर, and it undergoes the migratory insertion into palladium carbon. ओके, मायग्रेटरी इन्सर्शन कशावर होतं? पॅलेडियमवर. कशामध्ये होतं? पॅलेडियम कार्बनमध्ये होतं विथ दी सिग्मा बॉन्ड. ओके, अँड देअरफोर दी प्रोसेस इज अ हायड्रोमेटलेशन. ओके, ही जी प्रोसेस होते या प्रोसेसला आपण काय म्हणतो? हायड्रोमेटलेशन प्रोसेस. अँड देअरफोर इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द कार्बोपॅलेडियम. therefore it is called as carbopalladium, and as the carbon and the palladium it is attached the end of the alkene terms. okay, carbopalladium म्हणजे काय की carbon and palladium it is attached with the end of the alkene term, therefore it is known as carbopalladium. त्याला दुसरं नाव काय आपण म्हणतो? carbopalladium. okay, look at this that the alkene group we have to treat with the oxidative addition product, that is this complexes and its oxidation state is about the +2. okay, then againly you have to dissociate the one ligand and therefore you have to coordinate with these complexes and therefore then againly you have to carbopalladation. नंतर आपण काय करतो? carbopalladation. therefore look at this is the that R group it is a migrated on this alkyl group. okay, that R group you have to migrated on this alkyl group and therefore that pi bond it is a formation on this negative charge and therefore that negative charge is attack on the palladium and you have to formation of the bond. काय तयार होतो? bond formation. okay, and then againly you have to addition with the againly you have to add the ligand. पुन्हा काय करतो आपण? ligand add करतो, that is the R dash CH2 CH2R2, okay, then palladium ligand X and ligand, that is the palladium second complexes, okay. Then againly that the palladium is expel the beta hydride elimination, okay. पॅलेडियम रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, बीटा हायड्राइड एलिमिनेशन करतो, अँड देअरफॉर युअर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अल्किन पॅलेडियम झिरो कॉम्प्लेक्सेस इज रिजनरेटेड फ्रॉम, ओके. नंतर तुमचा पॅलेडियम झिरो कॉम्प्लेक्सेस काय होतो, पुन्हा रिजनरेट होतो. कशापासून, पॅलेडियम सेकंड कॉम्प्लेक्सेसपासून बाय दी बीटा हायड्राइड एलिमिनेशन, ओके. लुक ॲट दिस इज द कॉम्प्लेक्स अँड देअरफॉर this is the alpha and this is the beta, this is the beta hydrogen, therefore that beta hydrogen, it is a formation of the double bond and therefore your palladium complex are removed, that is a beta hydride elimination. Therefore you are to formation of the alkene group and that alkene group is in trans position, okay. Look at this, therefore this is the again the oxidative addition product you have to form, that is a palladium second complexes, and therefore that X and the alkyl X and hydrogen group are removed and therefore in presence of base you have to formation of the PDL2, okay. तुम्हाला पुन्हा काय होतो, तुमचा PDL2 म्हणजे पॅलेडियम झिरो कॉम्प्लेक्सेस पुन्हा काय होतो, रिजनरेट होतो, अँड देअरफॉर यू हॅव टू रिमूव्ह दी हायड्रोजन फ्रॉम दी पॅलेडियम सेकंड स्पेसिस, ओके. या पॅलेडियम सेकंड स्पेसिसमधून HX काय करतो, रिमूव्ह करतो आणि तुम्हाला पुन्हा पॅलेडियम झिरो ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन कॉम्प्लेक्स काय होतो, तयार होतो, ओके. तर देअरफॉर दिस इज युअर प्रोडक्ट, दॅट इज द अल्किन ट्रान्स अल्किन प्रोडक्ट, अँड देअरफॉर दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दी transition metal complexes in the palladium and that is formation of the carbon carbon bond formation reaction, okay. Next time we have to discuss the Suzuki coupling reaction, Hague reaction, Sonogashira reaction, okay. Therefore this is the different types of the reaction you have to use in the carbon carbon single bond formation reaction, okay. Therefore this point we have to discuss in next lecture, okay. Thank you.